Hey everyone, welcome back to UiPath tutorials. Today I'm going to tell you how we can create the macro files and how we can enable the developer option there. So just open the Excel, click the blank workbook here. Now click on the save here, then save as wherever you want to save. Give here the name. Now you have to select here Excel macro enabled workbook and then click on the save button. Now it's just a simple Excel, but if you just click here, if you use the shortcut Alt F11, Alt F11, you will going to have the macro VBA projects here. So here you can do your coding parts. For now, I'm closing this, and you can see here I want the developer option to be enabled. So on any tab, just you have to click here, right click here, customize ribbon, check the developer option, click on the OK. Now you're able to see the developer option here. Now I'm just creating some data here, name, roll number, uh, Rahul, Subhanshu, Amit, Gaurav. So this is I have data here, and what I want here with the macro that the row should be added. I want that the one row should be added, or it for now it's one row, but dynamically we will going to add the multiple rows just after the Shudhanshu. So this can be done. So for that we should know the macro codes. So let me record this step, and when we I'm going to record this step, it automatically creates one macro code inside this. So go to the developer option and now use the record macro. So I want to, yes, I want to just want the macro should be inside this workbook on which currently I'm working. Macro name, add new row, click on OK button. So the recording is started now. I will going to click here, inserting the option, and then Control S. Stop the recording. Now we want to check the code. Where is the code basically? So again, just you Alt F11 to view the code, macro code here. Click on the modules. See, on double clicking these modules, the code will be open here on the right side. So add new row is a function, the name I have given there when there was a pop-up. And the steps that I'm doing, that it's row 44 get selected, and then we have inserted one row, and now the range b10 is select, and then we are clicking the save button. So you can see like 44 has been selected. I have selected this, and then I'm inserting the row. So the macro has created the code for this. So if you want to run this, it will automatically going to create the new row. Let me remove this row, and I'm going to run the macro here. So just click here on the run button, So it's completed. Let me check the data here. You can see the one row is inserted just after the Shadanshu. So in this way we created the macros. So yeah. So I just want to tell you this in the next video I'm going to tell you that how we can call the macro file, and I just want that this thing should happen dynamically. So it's not the bounding here that only one row I need here. There could be multiple 5 rows, 6 rows. So that can be done through the UiPath. I will just pass the arguments from the UiPath that I need a 5 rows or 4 rows just after the Shadanshu, and the bot will going to create the 4 rows with the help of macro file. So I will show you this in the next video. For now, I think you can just try to how we can create the macro files. Thank you very much.